Shalom and welcome! GC Europe is happy to invite you to Israel for an exciting course in aesthetic composite restorations. The course will take place on April 10th to 13th at the International Dental Studies Center, just across from the Tel Aviv beach. The group will stay at the Dan Panorama Hotel, just next to GC Europe's Instructional Center. We will be happy to host you at our advanced instructional facilities to study and practice advanced techniques and materials for anterior and posterior composite restorations, instructed by Dr. Galit Talmor from the Prosthodontic Department at the Hebrew University in Jerusalem.
Hi, I'm Dr. Galit Talmor. I more than invite you to come to Israel to participate in the course on anterior and posterior composite restoration. I'm looking forward to seeing you.
In addition to the course, we will enjoy the vibrant streets, beaches and food of Tel Aviv, and we'll have a tour of Jaffa. A full-day guided tour of the old city of Jerusalem on April 13th will bring our course to a happy conclusion. See you in Israel!